everyone, and welcome once again. Today, we are excited to have Florence Hernandez with us. Hello, Florence. We warmly welcome you today.
Hi, Miss Anne. Good morning.
Good morning. So, first of all, I would like to congratulate you as you received your PR just a few days back. So, we are so happy for you, Florence, and everyone here at Ann Arbor. We want to congratulate you on your PR.
Thank you so much for that, and thank you for the support all the way.
You are most welcome. So tell us a little bit about yourself, like your name and where you are originally from and where you are currently living in Canada.
I'm Florence Joy Garcia Hernandez. You can call me Joy, and I'm from the Philippines. I am currently here in Vernon, BC,
Oh,
here in Canada.
that's nice, Joy. So how did you hear about Ann Arbor?
I heard about Ann Arbor from my friend. She was my colleague when we were both in Macau. And if I'm not mistaken, she left our company last 2019 through the help of Ann Arbor.
Okay, that's great to hear. So Joy, tell us, why did you choose our services?
Because way back 2015, I started my application through other agencies, but it was a failure. So I decided to stop my application and continue working as I have my full-time job and I'm also an online seller. But when I'm in Macau, but when pandemics came, I lost half of my income, so my Canadian dream sink in again. So I started to apply through your agency.
Yeah, and that was a success for you. So, how was your experience working with Ann Arbor as opposed to the previous consultant, which didn't work out for you?
Last March 2019, as I remember, I
Mhm.
sent my resume through recruitment team and I was unlucky because there's no vacant job for me way back then. So I started to look for another consultant, but the same as an arbor, there's no vacancy for me. But November 2021, I saw your Facebook page that there's available job in BC. So by that time, I sent my resume to Miss Sharmila,
Mhm.
and I got a message from her that she gonna send my resume to the recruitment team, and it was normal.
Yeah, and it
Normal.
worked out for you. Okay, Nirmal. Okay.
I got the assessment,
Mhm.
and they said I am qualified to apply as a room attendant, and also they give me an option to apply as a front desk, but I choose to apply as a room attendant because I am professional already to that position.
Okay, that's great. So you dealt with Shamila, Nirmal, anyone else from our team that you dealt with, or was it just the two of them?
Oh, there's a lot of people that I dealt with in Ann Arbor. Oh, there's Natalia,
Okay.
Delhani, Amelia,
Mm-hmm.
uh, Peter,
Yeah.
Ayoma,
Um,
and also Rangila.
Okay, so they were all helpful for you, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they all helped me throughout the process. And I just, last January 2021, I got my employer here and undergone with the interview, and it
Mhm.
was a success. They give me a job offer last February 28, 2021. And after that, the LMIA was approved, the Labor Market Impact Assessment. I
Yeah.
got that one, and they submit my application last April 2021. And after that, I got a passport request last March 2021.
Oh, that's great. So we're so happy to hear that. And how excited are you about this opportunity?
I'm really excited about this opportunity because I know I will have a good future here in Canada. So I just want to take this moment to thank Ann Arbor, to Sharmila, Natalia, Amelia, Dilhani, uh, Ayoma, Ranjila, Peter, Nirmal. There are really professional enough, and everyone knows that this journey is really long and very stressful. But through the help of them, it was really easy, and they guide me all the way throughout the process. They are professional enough. From the start, from the beginning, I bombarded them with the numerous questions, but they all diligently and patiently answered all my questions. So I'm really thankful for them.
So that's great, Florence. Thank you so much for those kind words, and thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us today and share your experience and journey with us and all our audience. So I really hope that your testimony today will help others start their journey as well. So thank you once again, Joy, and we wish you all the very best on your new venture in Canada.
Thank you, Miss San. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.